Good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning. What's cooking? What's going on? What's going on? So we got another day, another week of the markets kicking it off. It is Monday, June 24th, 2019. All right, guys, let's get into this thing. So, what do we got? So last week, as you can see, SPY closed down almost 2 points to downside. It had a kind of a strong open, but ran into its resistance and just faded out. Even after hours, it continued its selling pressure. Found a little bit of support 293, and this morning little bit of action pre-market, as we're going to see if that's going to continue into the session or not. Obviously, all eyes are on this 300 level. And SPY we will reach it. Will reach it this week? Who knows? But chances are very high that we'll reach it in the near future. But again, there'll be plenty of opportunities before that. Obviously, as we always see in the market, whether the market is up or down. Sector-wise, obviously, we closed relatively in the red. We had what eight I'm sorry, seven red and four green. Energy led the way. Real estate pulled up the rear with a little bit less than 1% to the downside. So let's kick it off. We got six going into our session. We got some usual suspects. We also got some of the securities we've been watching, waiting to set up. So let's kick it off with the Roku. Roku, obviously, we had it on watch this couple of days last week. It was good to us on Friday, and we're going to continue looking at this thing. Obviously, it's a strong company. I mean, definitely nothing wrong with the security, with the fundamentals, with technicals, but it is, well, technicals. I mean, we are seeing a pullback, so we definitely like technically we like this fade out. Obviously, it's pretty extended on the daily, trading relatively high off of its strong moving averages. So, that being said, whenever you see this curls coming in, you got, relatively close to a pretty big 100 level. So, 100 is going to be an initial target. We're going to keep an eye on it, and if it continues doing what it did last week, then we'll see if we take a piece from it. So, this isn't going to dump or anything like that, but if you're looking for a couple points to downside, I'd look to Roku because it has some nice action. Next up, we got Lulu. Lulu has some news coming out. Obviously, as you can see, faded out. He has sold off almost, a little over 4.5 points on Friday, and it's been selling off. So that being said, we're gonna look at it. Again, it's trading above its 50 and 200 significantly. Has some nice action when it fades out. So again, nothing wrong with this company fundamentally, but technically we like the fade, we like the curl, so we take advantage of that stuff. So we're gonna see if we have a couple more points of downside, and if so, we will enjoy the ride with a decent ATR of 541. Next up, Docu. Docu sold off obviously, as we could see yesterday, or on Friday, excuse me. Two points of downside. Trading right through its 50-day on the daily. We like what we're seeing this. We like that we're seeing some guys from obviously Thursday kind of caught in that the security itself, obviously with an update going through its 50-day on Thursday. These guys are definitely underwater, and so selling pressure is there. So if we don't see any type of run to the upside at all this morning, you will probably going to see this thing to the 50 level. So we're going to see if this thing at all could hold above VWAP. If it does, then we'll definitely step away and let it continue to the upside. If it starts to fade out below VWAP, good night. This thing's going to 50 level. WWE going to continue its selling pressure from yesterday or from Friday, and obviously all week. To be honest with you, you can see it's been fading out. So our target's still set at 70 until the market changes its sentiment. We like it to that level. CYBR. Again, it's been selling off, as you can see, cracking through that 50-day on the daily. 120 is going to be our level until the market changes, because it's definitely showing that it is losing its momentum. The trend is kind of changed, you can see it. So again, if it's not going to hold this level and continue to the upside, 120 is going to be our initial target. Ring Central. Not surprised this thing's fading out. Anybody in the States knows this company. Well, not even just in the States, but not surprised this thing's fading out, trading in the hundreds. Not sure it deserves to be up this high. So 112.67 is going to be our initial target. We definitely can see it
going further than that, but that's going to be our initial to see how long it takes to reach that particular price point. And once it does, we'll reassess and see if we're going to continue fading this thing out. But 112.67 will be our initial target. So guys, that's what we got going on. We got 6 into our session, Monday kicking it off. So we got another strong week. We're deep into this summer session here. And I think this should be the week though. Yeah, it will be the last week of June. So let's finish it. Let's trade strong. Let's make some money this week, guys. All right. So as always, we always invite you to the Street Trading to check out our site. If you're interested in how we're trading these stocks, how we're building our watch list. We don't chase. We very, very, very patient with our setups and with our thesis. We build our own watch list. We don't follow anybody. We don't do none of that stuff. We study our own ideas. At the end of the day, that's how you become a successful, consistently profitable trader. Self-sufficiency, guys. That's what we train here. Self-sufficient traders. All right, guys. As always, come check us out. We'll sort you out on the 90-day course. Any questions you have, we're here for you. And as always, be patient and with your setups and stick to your stops. All right, guys. Have a great day in the markets. We will check you later.